Imagine a world where innovation soars through the skies, yet safety and security remain paramount. Here comes our project by introducing the SDR devices technology.
Our system utilizes the ESP32 microcontroller, seamlessly integrated with the NEO6M GPS module. This powerful combination allows us to precisely track the coordinates of drones in real time. Our system is programmed for user interface. Only authorized users can monitor the drone. This drone security enhancing system can monitor the drone location by displaying its longitude and latitude. The system can also calculate the distance to detect if a drone is out of boundaries or not by using the Haversine formula. When the user has determined that the drone is out of boundaries, they can initiate a deactivate signal by pressing the jamming signal button. Here is the wave of the deactivation radio frequency signals that are being transmitted. Here is the actual footage of deactivating a drone that is out of boundaries. Watch as the drone lands without a remote controller. At the end of our journey, after numerous successful iterations and trials, we have successfully brought our prototype to life. We are proud to present our project as a significant step towards enhancing drone security through the innovative use of radio frequency technology. With dedication and ingenuity, we believe our solution holds immense potential in safeguarding airspace and ensuring the safe operation of drones in various sectors. As we continue to refine and advance our technology, we look forward to contributing further to the ever-evolving landscape of drone security.